Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about why TikTok users are shifting their focus to a Chinese app called Rednote. Is it the next big thing? Let's find out. Rednote, or Xiaohongshu, is like TikTok's cooler, more practical cousin. It combines short-form videos, blogging, and community-focused features. Here's why TikTok users are loving it. First, Rednote is all about useful content. Instead of just viral dances, you'll find travel tips, beauty hacks, and product reviews tailored to your interests. Second, the community vibe is unmatched. You can join smaller groups based on your hobbies, whether you're into skincare, books, or fashion, and really connect with people. And third, monetization. Rednote has built-in e-commerce and affiliate tools, making it a dream for creators looking to earn while they share. But it's not all perfect. The app's global reach is still growing, and there's a bit of a learning curve for new users. So, is Rednote the app to watch? It just might be. What do you think? Are you ready to try it? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to HowToHub channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks.